Today I'm going to walk you through how to view the upload progress of a video in Google Drive. Whether you're working with small clips or large high-resolution files, knowing exactly how far along your upload is can save you time and prevent confusion. This quick guide will show you where to find the progress indicator and how to monitor the process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once the main dashboard loads, you'll see all your files and folders displayed. To begin uploading a video, look to the left side of the screen and find the New button, click it, and a menu will appear with several options, including File Upload. Since we are adding a video from your computer, select File Upload from this list. Your computer will now open a window that lets you browse for the video you want to upload. Take a moment to navigate to the correct folder and select the file you need. After choosing it, click the Open button to start the upload. At this point, your video is being transferred to Google Drive. And this is where monitoring the progress becomes important. The key area to watch is the bottom right corner of your screen. As soon as the upload begins, Google Drive displays a small progress box. This box shows the percentage of the upload completed and may also include an estimated time remaining. As the percentage increases, you'll have a clear idea of how quickly your video is being processed. This progress box is especially helpful when uploading large files because it gives you visibility into the status without needing to guess. If you close the notification accidentally, don't worry. Drive will usually keep the progress bar minimized along the bottom of the screen, and it can be reopened with a single click. If you notice that the upload takes longer than expected, it may be related to your internet connection speed. Slower uploads are common when multiple devices are using the same network. For better performance, try pausing downloads on other devices or switching to a wired connection if possible. This can significantly increase the stability of your upload. Once the upload reaches 100%, the progress box will briefly show that the file has been successfully uploaded. You'll then see your video appear in the folder where you initiated the upload. From there, you can rename it, move it, share it, or continue working as needed. And that's all it takes. You now know how to start a video upload and clearly track its progress in Google Drive, making the entire process smoother and more predictable. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.